Hi everyone, and welcome to today's maths video. Ever wondered how to quickly figure out how much money you'd save in a sale? Or how to split a pizza fairly with your friends? Well, today we're going to unlock the secrets of finding fractions and percentages of amounts. It's a super useful skill, and I promise it's easier than you think. Let's start with step one, finding a fraction of a given amount. The key rule to remember is divide by the bottom, multiply by the top. Let's try an example. We want to find 3/5 of £40. First, we divide the amount, $40, by the bottom number of the fraction, which is 5. 40 divided by 5 is 8. This tells us what 1/5 is. Now, we need 3/5, so we multiply that answer by the top number, 3. 8 times 3 is 24. So 3/5 of $40 is $24. Now what if we work backwards? That's step 2, using a fraction to find the whole. If we know that 3/8 of a mystery number is 15, how do we find the whole thing? We reverse our steps. If dividing by 8 and multiplying by 3 gave us 15, we do the opposite. First we divide the part we know, 15, by the top number, 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. This gives us 1/8 of the whole number. To find the whole, we now multiply this by the bottom number, 8. 5 times 8 is 40, so the whole number is 40. Finally, step 3, percentages. Remember, percent just means out of 100. So, finding a percentage is just like finding a fraction where the denominator is 100. Let's use some handy mental methods. To find 50%, you simply halve the amount. For 25%, you halve it and halve it again. For 10%, you divide the amount by 10. Let's try 1. We want 30% of 70 kilograms. We can break 30% down into 10% plus 10% plus 10%, or 3 lots of 10%. So 10% of 70 is 7. If 10% is 7, then 30% is 3 times that amount. 3 times 7 is 21. So 30% of 70 kilo is 21 kilos. And there you have it. We learned how to find a fraction of an amount, use a fraction to find the whole, and calculate percentages mentally. Remember these steps, and you'll be a pro at working with parts of amounts. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.